If you're watching this video, then most likely you saw one of our emails and you clicked the link, so thank you for that. Now, if you're like me and you're running a business, you don't have the time to answer every phone call. Unfortunately, your business has to have office hours because you're human. What we're offering in this package is an AI system that we have worked with and built ourselves and have put it through the ringer that will answer all of your phone calls day in, day out, 24 hours a day. Now, what she will do is when somebody calls you after hours, she will pick up the phone. She will immediately begin to try to find out what their issue is, why they're calling you. She will ask them for their name, for their email, and she will shoot you a text message right after this call finishes with all of that information in your phone, as well as email this to you. Now, being in the service industry, phone calls is not the only thing that you guys need help in, most likely. Because of that, this package comes with other bells and whistles that we did not mention in the email, but you will get access to our CRM service that will include emails, push messaging, follow-up emails. We will set up an automation for your company, the first one on the house, on us, that will immediately set up a follow-up sequence for those leads of yours who may have inquired but not followed through. We will also have a follow-up sequence for leads who have already purchased from you that follows up with them and collects their data so that you have a ever-growing database of customers who have already known you, liked you, trust you, and may come back later on. Now, there are other services that we offer, such as automated lead follow-ups, qualification sequences. All those things we will explain later on, but just this one tool alone will save you a lot of headache, a lot of trouble. Some companies even replace their call center people with this AI because it does such a good job at answering and being polite. So we have other services that you will see as well. If you want to find out about those, feel free to click the links. Otherwise, feel free to give us a message at info@engagepulse.io and we will be there to answer any questions you may have.